Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Ledger Nano X. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase app and then click on this send button from these options. Now, from this list of cryptocurrencies, you have to select the XRP. If you don't find XRP by scrolling this list, you can simply type XRP in the search bar and then simply tap on it. After that, you just have to paste the wallet address from your Ledger device in this area or box. So you need to open up your Ledger Live app. Now, second thing we need to do is add XRP in our Ledger Live app. Now you just have to scroll down and at the bottom of your screen, you will find this option add account. You have to click on it. Then you have to select the method that you want to use to add your account. You can simply use this with your Ledger option. Then from this list of cryptocurrencies, select XRP and then you need to open up the XRP app on your Ledger Nano S device and pair it with your app. After you do that, you will be able to create a new account. So just click on this checkbox and click on continue. And then this will show you that your account has been added. Now you need to click on this see your asset and then you will be landed on this same screen. So from here you have to click on receive and then it might ask you to verify your address. So click on verify my address button. Then you need to open up the XRP app on your device again and then pair it with your app. Then it will ask you to verify address with your Ledger Nano device. So make sure the address displayed here also matches in your device. And once you are sure, you can click on approve on your device. After that, you will be able to get your wallet address. Now you need to click on this copy button. And after doing that, you need to open up your Coinbase app again and then paste the wallet address in these two areas. And if they have provided any tag XRP tag in this with your wallet, you have to paste the XRP tag in this second box. If they didn't provide any XRP tag, you can leave it blank and then click on continue. Then it will give you this warning that if you want to add a tag or not. So click on yes, I am sure. If you haven't added, then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on preview. And lastly, you have to check things, make sure your wallet address and the network that you have selected and amount you're sending are correct, and then click on send now. And once you do that, your XRP will be transferred from Coinbase to your Ledger Nano X. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.